We are standing at Mingora city, which has now turned into a ghost city after the conflict between the security forces and the militants, because the security forces are targeting at least more than 1,500 to 2,000 militants in this major city, which was once a hub of tourists, but now it has been deserted because of the military operation. The people are facing a lot of problems of daily life. They are also needing a lot of necessities of life, the food items. There is shortage of electricity and also the drinking water. But the army's special support group has arranged some food stuff for the people of Mingora who are stranded because of the military operation. We have with us Colonel Wasim of the special support group. Let's ask him what are the arrangements made for the people who are stranded here. Sir, can you tell us what are the arrangements you have made for the people, and how many of these people have been facilitated at these food points?
Well, we have brought about 8 trucks of meal ready to eat. It contains about 40,000 packets for the families, which are sufficient to, one packet is sufficient to feed a family for about 1 week time. And today we have arranged 8 trucks, as I told you earlier. 4 out of these trucks, they have come to Mengora, and 1 truck each has gone to Kanju, Kabul, Barikot and Chaktara. This is what has been distributed today, and you have heard the feelings of the people, and you have heard that they are in dire need of the food items, and inshallah we will continue this provision of the food from now onwards.
So there are some people stranded in Kalam and upper Swat areas. What the special support group has been requested to provide them food items also. So what has been done in that regard, whether some food stuff has been sent here or some have been airdropped from in those areas where the people are needing it at?
As a matter of fact, before the arrival of food here in Mengora, we have already sent about 160 tons of ration to Khazakhela, which has been provided to the people of Madian, Kalam and Bahrain. And that provision is once again continuing. We are army, as we have already told you, army is contributing about 50 tons of food per day, which is sufficient to feed 80,000 people per day. So that food provision, which is straight coming from the rations of Pakistan Army, that is being continued to the Khazakhela, from where it is given to the people of Matta, Khazakhela itself, Madian, Bahrain and Kalam.
Thank you, sir.
Shirazi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Colonel Wasim has told us that at least 50 tons of rations is daily provided by the Army's Special Support Group to the people who are stranded in the conflict regions of especially the Khazakhela, Kabul, which are the conflict areas where the militants are still operating, and the security forces, despite that, are providing foodstuff and the items of daily needs. Most of these people have felt a sigh of relief after the arrival of this foodstuff, but they are still demanding that the administration should take prompt action for restoration of electricity, water supply, and restoration of peace. And they want that peace should earlier return to the troubled valley so they could live with peaceful existence as they were. And most of them are also saying that this military operation should be winded up as soon as possible so that those people who are displaced should come back. Zahid Shirazi, Dawn News, Mingora, Swat.